TidyCal is a simple but powerful scheduling tool designed to make booking meetings smooth and stress-free. If you often find yourself lost in back and forth emails trying to set up calls or sessions, this is a solution worth exploring. It brings together customizable booking pages, calendar integrations, and smart features that help you save time and take control of your schedule. The platform lets you fully customize your booking page to suit your workflow. You can adjust your availability, manage different booking types, and even include buffer times between meetings. Whether you are hosting one-on-one sessions, group classes, or team events, TidyCal allows you to create unlimited booking types. Tailored to your needs, there is even a helpful date poll feature that makes it easier to agree on the best time with others. TidyCal connects with popular calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Office 365, and iCal. This ensures your availability is always up to date, reducing the risk of double bookings. You can link multiple calendars and sub-calendars to manage different parts of your work or personal life without overlap. For those who offer paid services, TidyCal also allows you to charge for your sessions by integrating with Stripe and PayPal. You can add package booking options, send guest invites, and include manual approval if needed. The platform supports over 30 languages, making it a great fit for international users. The best part is the lifetime access deal on AppSumo. The individual plan is available for a one-time payment of $29 US. It is perfect for solo professionals who want a simple yet effective way to manage meetings. The agency plan is designed for larger teams and costs $79 US, offering more calendar connections, unlimited team members, and advanced features like round-robin scheduling and collective meetings. If you are tired, clunky scheduling tools, or overwhelmed by managing multiple calendars, TidyCal is an affordable and efficient solution. With AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, you can try it out with zero risk. Take control of your time today and simplify the way you manage meetings. Check the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal for TidyCal on AppSumo.